Hey friends, today is September 20th, so I woke up 9 a.m., fell asleep maybe 1 a.m. Yeah, so yeah, I slept kind of good, but the AC got super cold. It was like almost like felt like -18, so I woke up, my chest hurted, my throat hurted, yeah, kind of sucked, so I don't know. My head is hurting also, so I didn't get a proper sleep this night. Yeah, so yeah, I had breakfast, like I said, or didn't say. uh, I'm probably going to the gym today also, because not much to do. Like I don't know what else can I do. So yeah. Yeah, how like every day. Yeah, so I'm at the gym again. I'm gonna do some light stuff maybe today. Hey, so I'm ending September 20th. I didn't film a lot. Actually, what I did today was the gym. I went back home, did my laundry, had some food. Yeah, had some durian. It's 100 baht per kilo here. So yeah, I felt kind of tired all day because I went very late to bed. Yeah, so maybe I'm gonna get some more rest. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hey friends, today is September 21st. Woke up like usual, 9 a.m., had breakfast, met a Lithuanian couple. We had a talk, that was cool. I'm dressed for a scooter ride. I'm going to this Big Buddha place. Also looks like it's gonna rain today. It's very cloudy. Not like yesterday. I don't know if you can see, but it's kinda dark. So yeah, to be honest, I'm getting a little bit bored. I don't know. Actually, to be like specific, my main goal was here Muay Thai because my friend recommended me the gym, and like last year I wanted to go, so I did that. I did 3 sessions already, so yeah, I would like to stay maybe for a month. Maybe I'll stay, but I also feel like moving on because I don't have like half a year, you know. My ticket is on October 31st. So yeah. So let's go. Yeah, it's only 12, but already looks like 4 p.m. It's definitely gonna rain today. Look at this crazy dude walking with barefoot. I don't know, it's like some kind of trend now, walking barefoot. Show how cool you are. Crazy people. So this durian is 200 baht. The whole one. I'm getting it. I'm just. Yeah, it should be good. I wonder what's that. Some kind of durian paste. Yeah, you have arrived in your destination. Destination. Okay. Yeah, it has a nice, like almost like a bay. The sea, the bay, I don't know. The big Buddha is over this tree.
I suppose you can see it. I'm gonna show you, but first I need to use the toilet. That's me, the monkey, praying for my boss for bigger salary. So near the big Buddha, there's also this kind of other temple. It's like a temple complex almost. So if you like put something in Google, like what to see here, this is on the top list. You can see this photo for sure. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a cat inside inside the dragon's mouth. Okay, so I'm near Wat Sakis again. I just don't know what to do, to be honest. So I'm getting more durian. Should be better here because that one that I got kind of wasn't that good. Oh man, I drove 50 minutes and they don't have it anymore. Hey. So yeah, I feel kind of tired, to be honest. Like the training, the everything, you know, like, yeah, don't feel like doing anything. I don't know if you can hear me good, but I said like I'm feeling tired. Yeah, well, there is some fruit here, so found another place. It's 80 per kilo. I was at this lady last time. Hey, yeah, I'll probably get a coconut also. Yeah, living the life. Yeah, last time she didn't have durian, but this time, yeah, we took dragon fruit. Yeah, this is it. If it's like yellow, like dark yellow, it's usually very good.